Today I want to give you a tour of my tiny yard, big dreams. Good morning, good morning. Hey Telly, check it out. This is the raised bed that I was telling you Papi had made for me. And look at my cilantro, how beautiful it is. I am going to let it go to seed because I want to get some seed. But I also planted some dill. Look at how beautiful they are. I am so tickled. I don't know what I was doing here. I think this is, if I'm not mistaken, I had put one of those Spanish seeds for, what is it called? Oh my goodness. It is called, Lord, I can't remember. Squash. Yes, a squash. But I think I'm going to take it out because, is it a squash or is it, I don't know what it is, guys. I don't know if that's a squash or what. I don't even remember. And then back here, I have celery. These are two celeries that I had started from a celery that I had purchased. And I put it in water, and now look. But you see these damn little bugs, how they flying? Oh, I can't wait to get my neem oil so I can spray the living daylights out of them. Anyway, just wanted to show you. Can you see what I see? Look at my fig tree, how beautiful she is. You guys, it is the healthiest I have seen her. I've had this plant for about 3 years, I believe, or maybe a little bit longer. And the only thing I did right before, actually when the spring hit, I had just fermented some banana leaves in water. I left them for a couple of days. Then I put the banana leaves in the water in my Vitamix. And then I went ahead and added more water, and I just water it, the base of it with it. And look at this. This is what I ended up with. I am just tickled pink. I've never seen it look so healthy. And I'm getting a lot of figs, you guys. I'm beside myself, to be honest. I don't even know what to tell you, except that I'm loving it. Look at how beautiful she looks. This is a Celeste, fig. Now I'm gonna hop on over to where I have now this guy was dying, so I had to take her out of the ground. I went ahead and put my other fig over there. But what I did was, this one is about 2 years old, and I started it from cutting, and you see it all the way by the brick wall. And that one, I'm not sure what type of fig it is. The history of it is my neighbor's great grandmother bought it from Lebanon, a little piece. So I got a piece, I went ahead and propagated this one. And I started it in that, and then it has gotten so big that what I did was cut the bottom of that barrel so the roots can find themselves into the ground. I do, however, have to learn how to shape it so that it could look like a tree and not all crazy like that. But I just wanted to share with you. And then over here, this is what's going on, guys. My grass, it has not been raining, so it has taken a beating. But I'm walking over here because I want to show you what I'm getting ready to get some of my kale that I went ahead. That over there that you see like it's dying, I'm hoping it takes off. This is another fig tree. But look at my kale, which I'm getting ready to get some because it's getting out of control. And if you didn't know, kale, they freeze very well. So if you wash them really well and you put them in Ziploc, you're good to go. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching.